What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to be looking at a new case that I just got in for the Nintendo Switch Lite. This is from the company VUP. Let's check it out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So big shout out to VUP. They were able to get me over one of these cases. Now, as you can see, number one, very hard material. We like that a lot because we do not want this device getting busted up. Number two, you got nice double zippers on the outside, and they actually give you this lanyard to go with it that you can detach if you would like. You got your VUP logo right there, and that's it. Hard on the bottom, hard on the top. Now let's go to the inside and see what we got. So this is where the Nintendo is actually going to be held, right here. You got nice rubber straps. We're going to just put that in there. There we go. That's what it's going to look like when you put it inside. Then you got a nice microfiber lining right here that's going to flip down over that screen to reveal these 8 game card cases right there. So you can carry up to 8 games in there. And then up here, if you want to throw in a Joy-Con or two, feel free. You got space for a Joy-Con. Let's make sure. Let's see if we can get 2 of them in there. So I got 2 Joy-Con, and no, Joy-Con do not fit. 1 Joy-Con, and no. So you will not be able to carry any Joy-Con. So it's a very thin, minimalistic type case that's really only made for the Switch itself. Now you may be able to throw like a terry cloth or maybe a small charging cable in there, but that's about all you are going to get in this case. So the Switch, the games, maybe a charging cable or so, and then that's it. So no Joy-Con will fit in here. I had to try it because somebody was going to ask, can you put Joy-Con in here? Answer is no. So you have the 3 layers of protection. You have 8 game card slot. It's a very hard shell, and it's actually water resistant. So you got tons of protection right here for that brand new Nintendo Switch Lite. So this would be a great gift to give someone. We know that Nintendo Switch Lite is fairly new on the market, so you can check this out and get them protection all at the same time. So like I said, this is the Nintendo hardshell carrying case from the company VUP. I'm going to drop a link below so you can check it out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.